4 or 5. I hope y'all can see me good because I don't have it mounted on the windshield. So I just didn't have time to get it all set up and everything because it's a pain in the butt to put it on the windshield up here and have it facing the direction. Oh my gosh, there's a deer. There's a deer in the front of the, oh, you can't see. Oh shoot, look at those deer. Oh, they're crossing the road. Look at that. Ain't that something? Y'all probably didn't see it because my focus or my angle of this camera is on like narrow, so it's not zoomed in as much. So y'all probably didn't even see, y'all probably just saw a little bitty, like little ants in the video. But I just wanted to apologize for the length in between these videos. I know y'all would prefer, you know, weekly videos or something like that, but man, I'm trying my hardest to get content for you guys. I recently got a new car, the Challenger RT, so I'm progressively trying to get content for you guys with this car. So today I thought, hey, it's a beautiful day out. I know it's like 41 degrees out, but the sun's out. I was like, hey, might as well do some exhaust clips for you, some, you know, passes in the car so you can hear the throttle, the response in the engine and everything, and just, you know, let y'all experience the muscle of this car, I guess you could say. But I'm also hitting this other town while I'm driving out today. There's this one tunnel that, man, I freaking love. It is an awesome tunnel if you have a car with an exhaust set up somehow and just floor it, man, it sounds awesome. So I hope y'all enjoy what's coming up next after this little intro. So I just want to apologize again. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you are notified when I do make these uploads. I'm going to try my hardest to get these uploads quicker, but like this video, subscribe, share it to everybody you know. You know, let's get this video to 100 likes. You know, I'm shooting for the stars there, but I hope this video gets 100 likes. Subscribe, share. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Peace out and God bless. this video, guys, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video, man. That'll do it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Peace out and God bless.